Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your REALME 16. First, enable auto rotate in quick settings by swiping from the right side to the bottom. When it's gray and white, it's off and you'll see auto rotate off. Tap it to turn it white and red, which means it's enabled. Now, tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps, but not every app supports rotation. Place it flat and tilt it, and as you can see, it works fine. Even the camera UI rotates, so we know it works. Most apps like Settings and Instagram don't support rotation, which is normal. But if it's not working in default apps, restart your phone to reset the sensors by pressing the power and volume up buttons together, then swipe up to restart. After the restart, update your software to fix any sensor issues by going to Settings, then System and Update, and tap Software Update. Check if you're on the latest version, and if not, update it. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.